Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by checking Settings, then Storage to view categories and totals. Tap Other to see opportunistic items and cached files manually. Use Files app to browse downloads, archives, and hidden folders manually. Delete unwanted APKs, large videos, and duplicate images carefully now. Backup essential files to Google Drive or an external SD card first. Clear app caches individually from settings when necessary and reboot your device after deletions. This frees transient data and prevents automatic rebuild of other storage. After manual cleanup, the only guaranteed method to fully clear other storage is a factory reset. Perform a full backup first to Google Drive, an external SD card, or a computer. Remove an SD card before resetting if you used adoptable storage. Sign out of accounts and encrypt any backups you store externally. Use Settings then System then Reset options to perform the reset. After the reset, restore only needed files and reinstall apps selectively. This process prevents other storage from regrowing uncontrolled and helps maintain predictable storage usage. After restoring, control other storage by limiting automatic media downloads from messaging apps. Set WhatsApp, Telegram, and similar apps to download photos and videos manually. Use app settings to restrict background data and storage access for apps. Schedule monthly cache clears and review downloads using Files app. Uninstall unused apps and disable pre-installed bloatware when possible through Settings or ADB. Use adoptable storage carefully and avoid mixing internal and SD storage without backups. Monitor storage in
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.